Here I've finished round 9, and now I'm going to reverse slip stitch into the final stitch of round 9, and then I'm going to be chaining 12 for the handle, and then you'll slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet of the round. Now you'll chain 1, and you're going to begin round 10 where you single crochet around the whole basket. So you'll single crochet for 36 stitches around the whole basket. And now when you reach the handle, you are going to continue to single crochet around the chain 12, and you're just going to do that evenly until it's filled up and you can't see the chains anymore. Once you're done with that, you'll just join to the first stitch of the round, and then you can either tie off or you can pull out some excess yarn. I forgot scissors, so I didn't cut it here, but cut the yarn leaving a long tail, and then you can wrap it around the base of the chain handle, and it gives it a nice finished look, and then you can also sew your ends into it.